located between China and India, is a unique Himalayan kingdom. Instead of just focusing on GDP, the country measures its prosperity through gross national happiness, prioritizing its citizens' well-being. This commitment is evident in its landscape. With over 60 forest coverage, Bhutan absorbs more CO2 than it produces, making it the world's only carbon-negative country. Bhutan's rich culture, deeply rooted in Buddhism, is reflected in vibrant festivals and traditional attire. Speaking of tradition, one can't forget datshi, their spicy national dish made of chilies and cheese. In 2008, the country transitioned to a democratic monarchy, valuing both its historical roots and modern evolution. Visitors are often drawn to architectural wonders like the tiger's nest and the rich biodiversity, including the rare takin antelope. Bhutan is a harmonious blend of tradition, nature, and progress.